Before we can begin to discuss how to use WordPress, it's important to understand the different ways in which WordPress can be used. WordPress is a software application. As mentioned in the previous lesson, WordPress is open source software and is free to download, install, and use on any web server. WordPress.org is the site from which you can download the WordPress software, as well as themes and plugins that we will discuss later in this course. This is called a self-hosted solution, which means that the WordPress software, along with the pages, media, and other components of your site, are stored on your own web server. In order to self-host a WordPress site, you will need a domain name and either own or rent space on a web server that can run the WordPress application. WordPress.com is a free cloud-hosted service that runs WordPress. So instead of installing WordPress on your own server, you host it on the WordPress.com servers. WordPress.com can be a great way to get started with WordPress by setting up your own free blog or website without the hassle of software installation, server maintenance, and security issues. Deciding between running your site on WordPress.com or self-hosting your site depends on your goals and particular needs. One of the great things about WordPress is that it's incredibly flexible. For example, you can build a site on WordPress.com and later move the content to a self-hosted solution, and the reverse is true as well. We will be designing a self-hosted WordPress site in this course. However, if you are running your site on WordPress.com, you'll find that many of the topics and techniques we will learn throughout the course will apply to you as well. Updates to the WordPress software occur 2 to 3 times per year on average. Updates can range from minor cosmetic changes to added features and support for the application. Depending on the version of WordPress that you're using, your interface may appear slightly differently than the one that's used within this course. We will be taking a closer look at keeping WordPress up to date, as well as security features, later on in this course.